As you know, Blizzard was born on November 24th, 2009, and this is the first song that Blizzard's mom, Feline, sang to her on the day Blizzard was born, November 24th, 2009. You are our sunshine, our only sunshine. You make Wyliang and I happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, Blizzard, Tweety, Sub-Zero, how much we love you. Please don't take our sunshine away. And that was the first song she sung to Blizzard, not knowing at the time of the tragedy that would unfold at the Nutty Putty Cave on that same day, to a wonderful man who had a wonderful heart and a wonderful future ahead of him. Oh, John Jones, rest in paradise. And just, oh my goodness.